Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to e to the power of s. So if we do first the derivative for the both sides, we have du equals to e to the power of s ds. Later that we need to change the powers. So when s approaches to positive infinity, so u will go to positive infinity, because if we put positive infinity for s, u will go to positive infinity. Now when s approaches to negative infinity, so we put negative infinity going here, you will have u equals to number 0. So this one we change for number 0. E to the power of 2s, that's about e to the power of s, everything to the power of 2. So this one in here we change for u. E to the power of s, the s we change for du. Next, I will put about the limit, and that is a approach to positive infinity. So we have the integration from 0 to a, and this is about this one. The integration of 1 over u squared plus 1, we have r tan of u. And we have the bounds from 0 to a. So in this situation, I will put a and number 0 going here. So when a approaches to positive infinity, r tan of positive infinity, we have b over 2. And we know that this one is about 0. And we simplify that is about b over 2. This is the end. Thank you for watching.